So how do we recommend products based on the BioWell scans? So in this system, all the research that we do in the system, all the products that we research for different companies, we feed the information into the software in order for it to make the recommendation easy for you. So as soon as you have a BioWell scan selected and you're in the scan analysis tab here, you can go ahead and select at least, like, let's do 3 of the scans. And then once your scans are selected, we can click on select or click on attention, so that makes sure that everything is updated in the favorite section. And then you can go to recommend product. Once you click on this bar, that will give you all the products that are recommended for all the different systems that these scans show that they need attention. And then from here, all you have to do is just click on these plus signs, and that's how you can add it to your customer's website on their back end so they can make their purchase. Besides doing that, you can go to individually to different systems, and you can click on individual systems, and then it will give you products that are recommended per system rather than just looking at everything that's recommended as a whole. So from here, you can individually add your recommendations into the system as well.